team.
Go Sarah, go Sarah.
With the commentary, really?
Yeah. And she's off towards the first jump. And go, go. Yes. And we're looking for our second jump. And our heels need to be down a little more, but that's okay.
Once
She's a
again,
cute
we need
horse.
a representative from the College of William and Mary to the draw table, please. All of the remaining divisions are drawing now. Please be present.
And she got the change that no one else could get.
Woohoo!
It would have been better if she could have switched off that. She got the change again.
That horse is so cute.
The key was galloping forward to the change.
Was that it? No.
I think it's the gaucho jump. Maybe she keeps going longer.
I can't tell. Apparently.
She's done.